Hey everyone. Okay, I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because we are unpacking something that is literally going to change how you view your own body, your health, and honestly, your entire future. We are diving deep into a groundbreaking, truly mind-bending paper. It's titled Synergistic Effects of Vitamins and Plant Polyphenols on Epigenetic Regulation of Aging. This was published in the Egyptian Journal of Medical Human Genetics in July 2026 by Dr. Tamer A. Addissouky. Get ready, because what this paper reveals about your biological age is going to completely flip the script on everything you thought you knew.
So, let me ask you something. Is your chronological age a complete lie? Seriously, think about it for a second. We all celebrate birthdays every year, we count the candles on the cake, and we just kind of assume that number dictates our health, our energy levels, and our inevitable cellular decay, right? But what if I told you that the date on your birth certificate is totally decoupled from what is actually happening inside your cells? What if your DNA is absolutely not your final destiny? Buckle up, because the modern science we're looking at today is about to shatter all those old assumptions.
Section 1. The epigenetic aging shock.
To understand why everything we've been taught about standard anti-aging is wrong, we have to look at the invisible clock ticking inside every single one of our cells. We're talking about epigenetic aging clocks. Now, these are DNA methylation-based biomarkers, and what they do is predict your biological age way more accurately than your chronological age. Think of your DNA sequence as the physical hardware of a computer. That part doesn't really change, but your epigenome, that is the software. And DNA methylation is essentially a software update for your DNA. It involves these tiny chemical tags that attach to your genes, and they literally turn them on or off based on your environment, your stress, and crucially, your diet. Over time, well, this software gets buggy, and that right there is what we call epigenetic aging.
Which brings us to the absolute bombshell of this research. Taking individual vitamins in isolation for anti-aging, it is a fundamentally flawed, outdated strategy. Popping a solitary vitamin C or vitamin E pill and expecting some kind of cellular miracle is honestly like trying to run a complex software program with half the code completely missing. It just doesn't work. So if popping isolated vitamins is a failed strategy, it leaves us with an intense mystery. What actually does work to reverse this epigenetic aging clock?
Section 2. Reprogramming your DNA.
The answer to that mystery lies in a rapidly exploding field called nutrigenomics. We are way past just talking about basic nutrition to prevent a vitamin deficiency. No, we're talking about how specific, targeted combinations of nutrients can literally hack your biological clock and reprogram your DNA's software for extended youth. The research highlights an incredible distinction here. It says vitamins often serve as cofactors, while plant polyphenols primarily function as signaling molecules. This is an epic, completely game-changing relationship. See, vitamins are the essential hardware tools. They facilitate the actual enzymatic reactions. But plant polyphenols, those incredible compounds you find in berries, green tea, and dark chocolate, they act as the signaling software. They tell the cell exactly what to do. You absolutely need the software to tell the hardware how to reprogram the cell.
When you map out the exact molecular pathway, it is just fascinating. It starts with your inputs, meaning the vitamins combined with specific plant polyphenols like flavonoids and resveratrol. When they're combined, they move to the next stage, creating multiple types of synergies. We're talking about boosting absorption or cooperatively targeting your DNA. This travels down into your integrated epigenetic targets, directly affecting elements like NAD+ and Sirtuins, and ultimately, this leads to astonishing outcomes: enhanced genomic stability, decreased inflammation, and vastly improved cellular cleanup, which is a process known as autophagy. It is like a master reset switch for your body.
Section 3. The Synergy Secret Revealed.
Now, the magic isn't just taking both of these things at the same time. It's a phenomenon called mechanistic synergy, where 1 + 1 literally equals 3 inside your cells. Let's contrast the old method with this groundbreaking reality. Taking vitamins alone gives you, at best, additive effects with standard and honestly often poor cellular absorption. But combining vitamins plus polyphenols, that triggers mechanistic synergy. The research proves that combining them massively boosts biological absorption. We are talking about up to 50% enhanced bioavailability. The vitamins protect the polyphenols from breaking down too quickly, and in return, the polyphenols amplify the vitamin's ability to remodel your epigenome. It is the ultimate biological tag team.
Section 4. Powerful anti-aging pairs. Now, what's really interesting here is the researchers didn't just stop at theory. They actually mapped out the specific, clinically proven power couples of the nutrition world. These pairings have been shown to turn back the biological clock. Are you ready? First, vitamin C combined with flavonoids. Next, vitamin D paired with resveratrol. That is the miracle compound found in red grape skins. Then we have B vitamins perfectly matched with phenolic acids. And finally, vitamin E teamed up with catechins, which are highly concentrated in green tea. Write these down because they are quite literally the keys to the nutrigenomic kingdom.
Just look at the staggering clinical evidence for even one of these pairs. When you combine vitamin C and flavonoids, they cooperatively activate what are called TET enzymes. These enzymes are the actual erasers that remove aging tags from your DNA. And the clinical impact is wild, a massive 35% improvement in endothelial function, which is basically the health of your blood vessels. Now compare that to just a 12% improvement if you only took the vitamin C alone. 35% versus 12%, there is simply no comparison. That is the astonishing power of synergy.
And this brilliantly illustrates how these dynamic duos hack into specific mechanistic modules. You can see how the vitamin C and flavonoid combo targets the DNMT and TET enzymes to actively lower your epigenetic age. Then look at the vitamin D and resveratrol combo hacking into the Sirtuin module. That's the famous longevity gene, right? They're working together to boost vascular and cognitive health while completely crushing cellular inflammation. It is like finding the exact chemical key to unlock youth at the molecular level.
Section 5. AI and Precision Nutrition.
So we have the map, but how do we apply it to you specifically? Welcome to the breathtaking era where advanced technology merges directly with your cellular biology. In the very near future, we won't be guessing which vitamins and polyphenols you need. Using something called multi-omics, which maps your entire genetic, epigenetic, and metabolic profile, combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning, a system will literally map the exact nutritional synergies required for your completely unique genetic code. The AI will look at your biological data and predict the precise combination of nutrients to reverse your specific aging markers. No more guessing, just pure, targeted precision.
Section 6. The Future of Health Span.
We are reaching an urgent, incredible peak in human health. Imagine a future where wearable digital tech monitors your real-time biological needs and advanced nanoencapsulation delivers these precise anti-aging nutrient pairings at the perfect dosage, at the perfect time of day, directly to the cells that need them most. We are moving from reactive medicine to proactive, precision biological reversal. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If a perfectly timed synergistic combination of plant polyphenols and vitamins can literally reprogram the software of your DNA, rewrite your cellular health, and vastly improve your health span, what if your biological age is no longer a ticking clock, but just a suggestion? A suggestion that you now have the power to rewrite.
This research completely shatters our perception of aging, doesn't it? And I know you are absolutely desperate to learn more. Well, our next explainer will dive into another vital, world-altering research topic that could completely change the trajectory of your health. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Please, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this explainer, and share it with anyone who wants to take control of their biological destiny. You can find us at Addissouky Journey of Life on YouTube. With warm greetings from Dr. Tamer Addissouky, and it's a general disclaimer, this content is for scientific awareness only and is not a substitute for specialized medical advice. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I will see you in the next explainer.